Umpuhar is listed as a famous town in which historical context? A. Harappan civilization. B. Ancient India. C. Ancient China. D. Ancient Tamilgam. The correct answer is D. Ancient Tamilgam. How are the organelles in a eukaryotic cell described regarding membranes? A. They are unbounded by membrane. B. They lack any membrane. C. They are bounded by membrane. D. They have a partial membrane. The correct answer is C. They are bounded by membrane. Which term describes the component in a circuit that requires electricity to function? A. Source of electricity. B. Switch. C. Electrical resistor. D. Electric circuit. The correct answer is C. Electrical resistor. Which Latin term describes pseudopodia? A. Catching feet. B. Extended membrane. C. True feet. D. False feet. The correct answer is D. False feet. What is the name of the wheel from the circular base of the lion capital that is part of the national flag? A. Dharma wheel. B. Ashoka Chakra. C. Patliputra Chakra. D. Sarnath wheel. The correct answer is B. Ashoka Chakra. When did the tennis court oath occur? A. 20th June 1789. B. 9th July 1789. C. 27th August 1789. D. 14th July 1789. The correct answer is A. 20th June 1789. What is the process of air passing in and out? A. Transpiration. B. Diffusion. C. Respiration. D. Photosynthesis. The correct answer is C. Respiration. What happens to the value of money when inflation occurs? A. It falls. B. It rises. C. It stabilizes. D. It becomes irrelevant. The correct answer is A. It falls. Apart from the Indus and Ganga, which other major river is listed? A. Amazon. B. Mississippi. C. Brahmaputra. D. Nile. The correct answer is C. Brahmaputra. What do local fishermen call the Dragon Hole? A. The heart of the South China Sea. B. The mouth of the South China Sea. C. The lung of the South China Sea. D. The eye of the South China Sea. The correct answer is D. The eye of the South China Sea. Which service is listed as being in service for disaster management at both the state and district levels? A. Veterinary services. B. Fire and Civil Defense Services. C. Home Guards. D. Public Works Department. The correct answer is B. Fire and Civil Defense Services. Which hormone induces parthenocarpy in tomatoes? A. Auxin. B. Gibberellins. C. Cytokinin. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is B. Gibberellins. How many sperm cells can a normal male produce in his lifetime? A. More than 500 billion. B. More than 1 billion. C. More than 100 million. D. More than 50 billion. The correct answer is A. More than 500 billion. What was established by the Justice Party government for the selection of government officials? A. Provincial Staff Recruitment Board. B. Staff Selection Commission. C. Staff Selection Board. D. Public Service Commission. The correct answer is C. Staff Selection Board. What voltage is applied to the electrodes of a discharge tube to observe a greenish glow? A. 100 volts. B. 1000 volts. C. 100,000 volts. D. 10,000 volts. The correct answer is D. 10,000 volts. What effect does cytokinin have on cell size? A. It causes cell shrinkage. B. It has no effect on cell size. C. It only affects cell differentiation. D. It causes cell enlargement. The correct answer is D. It causes cell enlargement. Who landed at Poompuhar from countries such as Greece and Rome? A. Tourists. B. Soldiers. C. Merchants. D. Farmers. The correct answer is C. Merchants. What is one factor contributing to larger per capita water needs? A. Economic growth. B. Economic stagnation. C. Reduced domestic consumption. D. Decreasing population. The correct answer is A. Economic growth. Which agent of erosion is responsible for forming eskers? A. Wind. B. Glacial. C. Underground water. D. River. The correct answer is B. Glacial. After loading is complete, what is the user instructed to do? A. Choose a color. B. Press a key. C. Open the help area. D. Select a tool. The correct answer is B. Press a key. Who was the first victim mentioned in the context of the British charges? A. The Nawab of Urquhart. B. Colonel Fancourt. C. Colonel Mikeras. D. Major Armstrong. The correct answer is B. Colonel Fancourt. Which agricultural practice involves raising cattle for milk production? A. Aquaculture. B. Dairy farming. C. Hydroponics. D. Aeroponics. The correct answer is B. Dairy farming. How many coastal districts in Tamil Nadu are mentioned as frequently affected by storm surges? A. 3. B. 1. C. 2. Nagpattinam and Kadlur. D. 14. The correct answer is C. 2. Nagpattinam and Kadlur. Which types of enterprises are promoted through supply and demand side measures? A. Small, micro and medium enterprises, SMME. B. Public sector companies. C. Large corporations. D. Multinational enterprises. The correct answer is A. Small, micro and medium enterprises, SMME. What does the text state the biosphere provides? A. Limited resources. B. An unstable environment. C. Biodiversity loss. D. A stable ecosystem. The correct answer is D. A stable ecosystem. What project is India building to connect to Southeast Asia through Myanmar? A. Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport. B. Indo-Myanmar Friendship Highway. C. Mekong-Ganga Corridor. D. Bay of Bengal Economic Zone. The correct answer is A. Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport. Which religious reformer is mentioned alongside Dayanand Saraswati and Keshab Chandra? A. Raja Rammohan Roy. B. Jyotirao Phule. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The correct answer is A. Raja Rammohan Roy. What specific action related to domestic sewage is recommended before it enters water bodies? A. Aeration. B. Treatment. C. Filtration. D. Chlorination. The correct answer is B. Treatment. What are the two main activities in an economy mentioned? A. Trading and banking. B. Production and consumption. C. Goods and services. D. Input and output. The correct answer is B. Production and consumption. Who could practice satyagraha according to Gandhi's introduction? A. Only men. B. Only the young. C. Only women. D. Men and women, young and old. The correct answer is D. Men and women, young and old. How did you score?